Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to send YouTube video data to Zoho Sheet. So I am a content creator and I post videos on my YouTube channel regularly. So my objective is that as soon as I'm going to add a new video to my YouTube channel or publish a new video to my YouTube channel, automatically a record of that video should be created in my Zoho Sheet. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between YouTube and Zoho Sheet with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect runs on two concepts, that is trigger and action. In this process, my trigger application is going to be YouTube and my action application is going to be Zoho Sheet. So if you want to learn how to do this automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send YouTube videos data to Zoho Sheets. So I am a content creator, okay, and I post videos on my YouTube channel. So here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to upload any video in my YouTube channel, automatically the data of that video should be recorded in my Zoho Sheets. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to simply create an automation between YouTube and Zoho Sheet with the help of Pabbly Connect. On the screen you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Send YouTube Video Data to Zoho Sheet. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Over here next, it is asking for us to select a folder on the left side of my screen. You can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down arrow and these are the folders from which I'm going to select YouTube Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to a workflow and selecting the folder, we're going to click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Send YouTube Video Data to Zoho Sheets, and there are two windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to set up our trigger step by click on this arrow right over here. And for the trigger application over here, we are going to select it as YouTube. So we're going to select our trigger application as YouTube. And for the trigger event over here, we're going to select it as new video in channel with video URL. Okay, we are selecting our trigger event as new video in channel with video URL because we want to create a record of the videos that are going to be uploaded in my YouTube channel. That is why for the trigger event, we are selecting it as new video in channel with video URL. Okay, after selecting the trigger application and the event, we're going to click on Connect in order to connect YouTube with Pabbly Connect. Then a new dialog box is going to appear in front of you, on which click on Add New Connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, click on Connect with YouTube. Then a new dialog box is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a permission, on which I'm going to click on Continue, as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on Continue right over here. As you can see that we successfully authorized YouTube with Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, over here it is asking for the channel ID. So the name of my YouTube channel is Demo Channel, as you can see right over here. For the channel over here, we're going to select it as Demo Channel. Okay, so this is the channel ID, that is Demo Channel right over here. Now if we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request button right over here, what will happen is the video that has been recently uploaded in our channel, that is Demo Channel right over here, the data of that video is going to be captured in the response right over here after click on Save and Send Test Request. So now what we are going to do is we are going to upload a new video in this channel right over here, and then we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of that video or not. For that, we're going to upload a new video right over here. Now we're going to select a random video that we want to upload. So I'm going to select a random video. I'm going to open the video right over here. As you can see right over here, the video is successfully uploaded. It is going to be loaded. For the title over here, I'm going to be writing the title of my video as So this is the title, that is breathtaking sunset, a stunning display of nature's beauty. Okay. Next it is asking for the description. We are going to write the description over here of the video as, this is the description, the dummy description that I want to write for this video right over here. Okay. Next over here you can see this is the video link right over here. Over here is the thumbnail. We are going to select a random thumbnail after it is going to be uploaded. Over here it is asking for the playlist. So I'm going to select a random playlist. I'm going to click on done right over here. Okay. And over here for the kids I'm going to select it as no, it's not made for the kids right over here. Okay. Over here for the thumbnail, as soon as the thumbnail is going to be uploaded, we are going to select a random thumbnail from here. So for the thumbnail over here, I'm going to select a random thumbnail, and after filling all the details, I'm going to click on next. Again on next, I'm going to click on next, and over here I'm going to public the video, and then I'm going to click on publish right over here. As you can see over here, the video is successfully uploaded. You can see this is the video right over here. This is the video that we have uploaded right over here. Okay. So I'm going to open my workflow that I've created, and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. As soon as you go to click on save and send test request, the response is going to be received, and the response, you can see this was the same title of the video, that was breathtaking sunset, a stunning display of nature beauty, and this is the description of the video right over here. And for the URL of the video URL is given right over here. If I'm going to copy this URL from here, I'm going to open this URL in a new tab right over here. You can see this is the same video that we have right now uploaded on our YouTube channel. Okay. So this means that we successfully connected YouTube with Pabbly Connect and a trigger setup is done. But if you're not going to get the response of the video that has been uploaded immediately on our YouTube channel, then don't worry, because as over here you can see it says 10 minutes. YouTube is a polling based application. That means in every 10 minutes, whenever a new data is going to be collected by YouTube, automatically in every 10 minutes it is going to send the new data to Pabbly Connect. So if you don't get the response of your YouTube channel video being uploaded immediately, then don't worry, as YouTube is a polling based application. Okay. As we want that whenever a new video is going to be uploaded in our YouTube channel, automatically the record of that video should be created in my Zoho Sheet. So for the action application, I'm going to select it as Zoho Sheet. So I'm going to select my action application as Zoho Sheet, and for the action event as create row right over here. And then we're going to click on connect. In order to connect Zoho Sheet with Pabbly Connect, then click on add new connection as a new window is going to appear. Then click on connect with Zoho Sheet. Over here it is asking for the domain. From where are we going to receive the domain of our Zoho account? So in my URL right over here, you can see this is the sheet that I've created, that is the Zoho Sheet right over here. And over here in the URL you can see this is the domain, that is zoho.in right over here. So for the domain over here, I'm going to copy the zoho.in from here, and I'm going to paste the zoho.in right over here, and I'm going to click on save. A new window is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a permission. I'm going to click on accept, as the save process in my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on accept right over here. As you can see that we successfully authorized Zoho Sheets with Pabbly Connect. After authorizing over here, it is asking for the workbook. So I've created a workbook in the name of YouTube video details. So for the workbook over here, I'm going to select it as YouTube videos details. Okay. Next for the worksheets, I've created a single sheet in the name of sheet 1 right over here. So for the worksheet over here, I'm going to select it as sheet 1. Next, it is asking for the date uploaded, video title, video URL, and the description of the video. So I've created 4 fields in my Zoho Sheet in the name of date uploaded, video title, video URL, and the description. And I want that whenever a new video is going to be uploaded in my YouTube channel, automatically under these 4 fields the record of the video should be created. So these are the same fields that we have created in our Zoho Sheet. Okay. And now what we are going to do is, for all these fields we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we are going to insert the data from the previous step. And how are we going to do that? As soon as you go to click on this field, you can see it says YouTube new video in channel with video URL. So this was the previous step of this automation process. If I'm going to click on this arrow, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. Over here it is asking for the date uploaded, the date of the video that has been published. So I published the video on the date right over here. You can see this is the date provided. So for the date over here, you can see the published date is given in a UTC time zone format, but we want the date to be in a normal format. So what we are going to do is, we are going to add another action step into this workflow by clicking on this plus button right over here. And for the action application over here, we are going to select it as date time formatter, because with the help of date/time formatter, we are going to convert the date format that we have received in our previous step. For the action event as format date with time zone, then click on connect. As soon as you get to do that, for the date over here, it is asking for the date that we want to convert format of. For the date over here, we're going to select the date that the video was published on. So this is the format right over here. For the from format, we're going to select it as UTC time zone format because this is the format that this date is provided in. And for the to format, I want to select it as a normal format right over here because I want to convert this format into this format right over here. For the time zone over here, we're going to select it as UTC time zone. So I'm going to select my time zone over here as UTC time zone. And for the to time zone over here, I'm going to select it as Asia Kolkata because I want to convert the UTC time zone into a Asia Kolkata time zone. And then I'm going to click on save and send test request. As soon as you're going to do that, a result is going to be received, and the result, you can see the normal format of the data is provided. So now what we're going to do is we're going to map the data of the result that we have received in our previous step. As I map the data right away, what happens is the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the data right over here is going to be updated. It is asking for the video title. This is the video title. I'm going to map the data of the video title. It is asking for the URL of the video. I'm going to map the data of the URL of the video. And for the description, I'm going to map the data for the description. So I'm going to map the data for the description. And after filling all the details, I'm going to click on save and send test request. As soon as you get to do that, over here a response is received, and for the status over here it says success. So now I'm going to open my Zoho Sheets and I'm going to check whether the record of the new video that we have uploaded in our YouTube channel is created in our Zoho Sheet or not. For that, I'm going to open my Zoho Sheet, and yes, as you can see right over here, the record is successfully created in my Zoho Sheet. As you can see right over here, for the date as 21/05/2024, for this video title as breathtaking sunset, a stunning display of nature beauty. For the URL, the video URL right over here, and for the description of the video right over here. So this means that we successfully created an automation between YouTube and Zoho Sheet with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am a content creator and I post videos on my YouTube channel regularly. So my objective is that as soon as I'm going to post a new video on my YouTube channel, automatically the record of that video should be created in my Zoho Sheet, and for that I've created an automation between YouTube and Zoho Sheet with the help of Pabbly Connect, and this is how we create this automation. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.